What's up, longboard fam? Today we're diving into a board that's got me feeling like I'm surfing the streets. Meet the Backfire Nalu electric surf skate, a board that is all about carving, cruising, and catching vibes. When the Nalu arrived, I was immediately struck by the slick design. The deck has a classic surf-inspired shape, and the integrated LED lights along the sides, chef's kiss. It's like a beach party on wheels. The name Nalu means wave in Hawaiian, and this board truly brings the wave riding feel to the pavement.
Now this is what we get in the box. There's the charger. It also comes with a card where you can check them out on social media. A couple of accessories to kind of fine-tune the board to up to your liking. And of course, it comes with the remote as well. Now the remote can do 3 modes as well. There's the eco mode, sport mode, and then the ludicrous mode. You can also use it to turn on and off the lights and change the modes on them.
Let's look at specs. It weighs just 12.5 pounds, which is 5.7 kilograms there, which is super portable. The deck is 30-inch fiberglass and maple composite with a functional kicktail. The motors are dual 340 watts in-wheel hub motors, and the battery is 137 watt-hour, ultra slim and hidden within the deck. The top speed, you say? It goes up to 25 kilometers per hour, which is up to 16 miles per hour. The range is also nice here because it can go up to 20 kilometers, which is 12.5 miles. Now the trucks, it's hot forge CNC precision surf trucks with a 60-degree turning radius. Now the wheels are also 80 millimeters, 70A durometer, which is great for urban cruising. And the lights are integrated LED lights controllable via the R5S remote. Now this board is designed for those who want a seamless blend of style and performance.
Now this is my friend James. He's gonna help us out today to ride the Nalu.
Now taking the Nalu out for a spin was a game changer. The surf-style trucks provided an incredible tight turning radius, making carving feel effortless. The acceleration is very smooth as well, thanks to the Hobby Wing ESC, and the braking is predictable, no sudden jolts. The 80mm wheels absorb most of the vibrations as well, giving a comfortable ride even on rougher surfaces. So, who would consider the Nalu? Now, if you are a beginner, this is great for you. Its stability and smooth acceleration make it beginner friendly. It's also great for commuters because it's lightweight and portable. It's perfect for last mile commutes. And of course, for those who are surf enthusiasts, if you are looking to replicate that surf feel on land, this is your board. For travelers, the 136.8 watt-hour battery makes it airline friendly, so you can take it anywhere with you on your adventures. However, if you're into high-speed downhill rides, this might not be the board for you because it has a limited power. Now let's talk about the vibe. The Nalu isn't just about performance, it's a statement. The integrated LED lights not only look cool but also enhances visibility during night rides. This is also available in 4 colorways, which is purple, maple, cube, and jungle. So you can choose one that matches your style. Now to wrap it up, there's a few pros here, which is a lightweight and portable design, smooth acceleration and braking, great for beginners. It has the surf style carving experience as well. And that integrated LED light is great for the style and safety. Now some of the cons here is that it's not designed for high-speed downhill rides, and it has a limited range for longer commutes. But if you're looking for a board that offers a unique blend of style, portability, and that surf skate feel, the Backfire Nalu is a great choice. Now, have you tried the Nalu or thinking about getting one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Ask me anything you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and hit that bell icon for more board reviews and riding tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!